In this video, I'm going to show you how to renew your VMOS Cloud Phone for free, or how to increase the expiring date of your cloud phone for free without putting money again. Right? This video is for educational purposes only. It is not for to encourage fraud or anything. This step I want to show you now is also legit, it's acceptable in VMOS Cloud, right? So if you buy a phone, if you buy a phone, it has different diverse expiring dates. Like this one is showing 1 day, that is after 124 hours it will expire, 7 days, 365 days, 90 days, and 30 days. Right? So if you want to increase the time, let's assume that you bought a phone and you have used it and you don't have money to renew it immediately, but you want maybe a spare time, maybe 24 hours or 48 hours or even 1 week or any amount of days, depending on what you can, how you will do this, or even 1 month, and then you want extra time before you can repurchase or anything. This is how to go about it. So do you know that in VMOS Cloud, if you refer somebody, you know that they have a referral system, and this referral system, there's a way it works. This referral system, if you invite somebody, you can see total minutes that I have here. You can see total minutes that I've been able to have here. Let me show you. You can see 1,800 minutes that I've redeemed already, that I've used from this thing that I'm showing you now, right? 1,800 minutes divided by 60 minutes each. You see how many days that I was able to use it, that I've been able to use it. This thing now, this referrals now, they do not need to put money, they don't need to buy anything. As they just click on your link and it brings them here and they register just to see how the place is, they will give you minutes. You understand what I'm saying? As somebody just clicks on your referral and register, they will give you extra 1 hour, that's 60 minutes. For each person that registers, whether the person buys anything or not, they'll give you an extra 60 minutes. So let's assume that you have a platform, maybe a WhatsApp group or anywhere, and you introduce them, and this platform is a very, very good platform. You introduce them to it, and then they click on it, even though they don't have money to buy, and they register just to see how the place is. You can use it to make up to 24 hours, 48 hours, and the rest of them and above, right? Till you are able to get your money maybe to buy another cloud phone. I hope you understand. And you know that this particular platform is not only for people that wants to do online this thing. If you do social media management, you can be using cloud phone to be hosting. Let's say you registered your TikTok account or any other social media account as a UK, you want to be posted as a UK so that your RPM will be high. You can be using cloud phone to do it. You can be posting from your cloud phone, so it will be consistently showing that you are from so country. You understand? You want to have a chat, you can do WhatsApp. You can create a WhatsApp this thing from here. You can create both WhatsApp, you can create both Facebook, you can create both any YouTube, any Instagram, any social media handle. You can use it to even purchase things from other countries, and they will countries that does not allow your own country to access, website that does not allow your own country to access, you can access it from this place, right? But you need to bind your proxy to your distance so that it will have your permanent address. So if you want to know how to bind your proxy to it, also watch my next video. You will see it there. You go to my channel, or I will put it on this. It will pop up on the screen now. You watch it and you see how to bind it, because I've already made video on that. So this is basically how to increase your expiring time, or how to renew your this thing without having to deposit money from your account.